Welcome to module number 3, and the overview includes the chapters that you will read as well as your statistics modules or lessons that you'll complete. So we're going to be addressing in your Tappan textbook chapters 6 through 10 and also the Udacity lessons 9 through 13. So let's go ahead and get into the module content. And these are the materials that will help you to complete your assignments for this particular module. And there's an overview of each one of the chapters from your Tappan textbook, things to think about and how to apply some of the concepts that you'll be reading about and to make it meaningful for you. So this helps just an overview, brief overview to help solidify what you're reading. And I did include chapters 9 and 10 together because they cover reliability and validity. So it's really important to be able to compare and contrast reliability and validity. They're not one and the same. And I included both together so to help you to do so. So keep that in mind, and I've also included some visuals that will help solidify those concepts because sometimes they're a little fuzzy for students, so just know that I've added some additional resources for you in that particular chapter. You will be diving into selecting a theory for the assignment, and what you will do is take a look at the different theories that are out here. So know that this resource is here for you that will assist you in completing your assignment for this particular module. So as we move on, this goes into applying nursing theory to practice. Again, this will help you with your assignment, and know that there is a specific rubric for your theory assignment that is due in this module. And just keep in mind that theory is actually based on actual nursing practice. So theory is derived from practice and studying practice. That's how we develop theories. And then we will be also looking at Boyer's definition of scholarship and the resources that are available through AACN. So know that this is here. Again, this is tied to an assignment in this particular module. So use this material to help you to complete that particular assignment. So this goes into, the video goes into discovery, integration, teaching, and application. And just know that what's within this video is also available through this link. So please take a look at the link. This goes to the American Association of Colleges of Nursing, and they embrace Boyer's concepts. So know that this is here, and know that your nursing program is consistent with what the recommendations are. And also know that there are additional resources breaking down the 4 areas: discovery, teaching, practice, and integration. So you can click on the arrows and learn more about that particular topic, and there are drop downs for each and every topic. So you will want to look at what appeals to you as far as looking at integration, practice, teaching, or discovery, and think about your master's track and what's most appropriate for you and building your practice. So we want these assignments to be very meaningful to you. So choose something that's very important to you as you're doing your assignments, because that will help you to build your practice. So of course we have the statistics link as well in the module content. So know that all of these materials are here and available to you. And as far as the specific assignments that are due in this module, we'll have discussion board number 3. And this is actually going out to the Center for Disease Control and looking at some of the resources that are available to you. You're going to start taking a look at a journal article and applying what you're learning. What you want to do is answer some very specific questions about that and share that with your class. And you will do that using Flipgrid once again. And just know that you can include any references just in the type portion of the discussion board, and then you can do your Flipgrid so everyone can see everyone else. And then when you're going to applying Boyer's definition of scholarship, you can most certainly have the AACN website and use it as you're completing this assignment. This is not necessarily a test, this is an assignment. So use the materials that are included to complete this component of your assignment. And then we'll go into the application of theory. Again, we're taking it to the next level. We're taking what we learned and we're applying it. So we're looking at specific facets as far as this particular assignment. So just let me know if you have any particular questions. I'm going to provide an overview of the assignment and we'll include that right here for you as well.